Hello to everybody. Today we have to discuss about polar coordinates. In polar coordinates, we have discussed on derivative of an arc length. Recapitulation: pedal equation for polar curve, pedal equation for Cartesian curve, angle of intersection of curves perpendicular from the pole on the tangent. Learning objectives: derive expressions for the derivative of arc length measured from fixed point on the curve when the equation of the curve is given in polar form. Session outcomes: here we have to derive formula for the derivative of the arc length for the curve. Prerequisites: angle of intersection of curves perpendicular from the pole on the tangent. The main content: derivative of an arc length. Polar equation. Here let P of r comma theta and Q of r plus delta r comma theta plus delta theta be two neighboring points on the curve. Let here A be a fixed point on the curve such that AP is equal to S and AQ is equal to S plus delta S, so that PQ is equal to PQ is equal to delta S. Then here note that OP is equal to R. So this length is R, and OQ is equal to R plus delta R OQ. The angle XOP, this one XOP is theta, and the angle XOQ is theta plus delta theta. So the angle POQ is delta theta. As Q tends to P, we have limit of chord PQ divided by arc PQ as delta theta tends to 0 is equal to 1. Since OQ is equal to R plus delta R and OR by OP is equal to cos delta theta, so this implies this OR is equal to cos delta theta into this OP. Here OP is R. Next we have RQ is equal to OQ minus OR. Here OQ is R plus delta R minus OR is this one R cos delta theta. So here R is common, take outside, so we get 1 minus cos delta theta plus delta R. So by half angle formula, 1 minus cos delta theta can be written as 2 into sin square delta theta by 2 plus this delta R. In the triangle PQR, we have PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. So this implies PQ square is equal to PR is R sin delta theta whole square plus RQ is this one 2R sin square delta theta by 2 plus delta R whole square. So therefore chord PQ by delta theta whole square is equal to R sin delta theta by delta theta whole square plus 2R sin square delta theta by 2 by delta theta whole square. So this can be written as chord PQ by RPQ whole square, RPQ by delta theta whole square. This is equal to R square sin square delta theta sin delta theta by delta theta whole square plus, so 2R, so 1 by 2 into sin delta theta by 2 divided by delta theta by 2 into sin theta by 2 plus delta r by delta theta whole square. So taking limit as 2 tends to p, so delta theta tends to 0. So we have ds by d theta whole square is equal to r square plus dr by d theta whole square. Therefore ds by d theta is equal to square root of r square plus dr by d theta whole square. So this is the formula for derivative of arc length with respect to theta. Also we have sin PQR is equal to PR by PQ, that is equal to PR is R sin delta theta by R PQ into R PQ by card PQ. So this is equal to R into sin delta theta by delta theta into delta theta by R PQ. So this R PQ by card PQ. So as theta tends to P, we have angle PQR is equal to phi. So sin delta theta by delta theta tends to 1. So we get sin phi is equal to r into d theta by ds. So this is equation number 2. Similarly, cos phi is equal to dr by ds. This is equation number 3. So it follows that ds by dr whole square is equal to secant square pi. So by third identity, secant square phi can be written as 1 plus tan square phi. So this implies ds by dr whole square is equal to 1 plus r into d theta by dr whole square. So call this equation number 4. Also we have ds by dr whole square plus r square into d theta by ds whole square is equal to 1, or ds whole square is equal to dr whole square plus r square into d theta whole square. This is equation number 5. Next, so we have problems on Cartesian curve. First one, find ds by dx for the curve y square is equal to 4ax. Solution, so the given curve is y square is equal to 4ax. Differentiate with respect to x. So we get what? 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4a. So after simplification we have dy by dx is equal to 2a by y. So square on both sides, dy by dx whole square is equal to 4a square by y square. This is equal to 4a square. So y square means 4ax. So we get a by x. So therefore ds by dx is equal to square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Square root of 1 plus what is dy here? Dy by dx whole square is a by x. So this is the required solution. Session summary. So expression for the derivative of arc length when the equation of the curve is given in polar form and problems on Cartesian equation. So multiple choice questions. First one, find ds by d theta for the curve r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Answer is a, 2a cos theta by 2. Second question is find dr by d theta for the curve r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So for this answer is D, minus a sin theta. Third question is find ds by dr for the curve r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. So answer is a, square root of 1 plus 2r by a. And fourth one, find dr by d theta for the curve r is equal to a theta. So answer is a, that is a. And fifth question, find dr by d theta for the curve r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. So answer is a into sin theta. So these are the reference books for this session. Thank you.